Welcome back to Leverage Your Spark. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. We've reached the final part of our 5-part episode series on how to make a decision on a tool, app, or software service. Today's topic is all about cost, weighing the pros and cons of free versus paid software, and how to evaluate if the price of the tool is worth it. By now, you've done your research, evaluated potential solutions, and narrowed down your software options. Okay, the $1 million, maybe $1,000 question. Is the price of the software worth it? While it's tempting to focus solely on price, remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best value, and sometimes free can cost more than paying for software. So this is a key step in your purchase decision to determine if the cost of that new app, tool, or software service is worth it. That is why it's essential to consider the value it brings first to your business beyond just the price tag. But picture this. You can confidently invest in software that provides real value to your business without feeling overwhelmed by the cost or bogged down by buyer's remorse. With the right evaluation, this can be your reality. So let's talk through a couple key considerations when assessing the price of the software, assuming you've done the first 4 steps first. All right, first, free tools are amazing and make it really easy to get started. But choosing only free options can limit your business's potential. So don't be afraid to invest in paid tools when they offer the features, functionality, or integrations your business needs. Or upgrade. Okay, next, keep in mind that free software might have hidden costs, such as using your information or less reliable support. Just be aware of these potential downsides and weigh them against the benefits and your other options. Then, most software is subscription-based, and small monthly fees can be attractive over higher annual costs. However, be sure to track all the software you're paying for to avoid overspending or paying for tools you don't use that are collecting digital dust. And then finally, consider the context of the software's price. It might use a per seat pricing model, so think about how the cost can change as your team grows. In some cases, the software might replace the need for another employee, so you can consider weighing the cost of hiring versus the cost of using the software. In any case, carefully considering the cost of software and its value to your business will make you better equipped to make informed decisions that benefit your bottom line. And remember, the cheapest option isn't necessarily the best choice. It's about finding that balance between the cost and the value and knowing the value first. So this concludes our 5-part series on making a decision when it comes to tools, apps, and software services. Hopefully these episodes are valuable to you and are already helping you make confident, informed choices for your business. In the next episode, you'll hear a case study about one of our clients when they transitioned from managing client projects by lugging around 6-inch binders to using online project management system they could access from anywhere and no longer weighed them down. If you enjoyed this episode, head on over to leverageyourspark.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep leveraging your spark to ignite possibility.